please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open a 1982 Topps baseball cards package to see what kind of cards I'll find. Kind of like the style of these cards. And encourage the gum, the evil gum. Clearly try to sue other cards for doing the same thing, but honestly, you got Steve Trout, not related to there we go. What it looks like on the backside. Outstanding. Blue again. There we go. There you go. Hall of Famer. It's only like his 5th year. That's kind of cool. I don't know. Oh, Dave Stewart. Look at that young man. Just looking at your card. Oh, you look at Norman Ryan. 91 betting, pitching, lead. He's Moneyball. He was in the Moneyball. Some played him. Of course, Norman Ryan. Alright. Tug Philly. Yeah. Disappointed. So like and subscribe, let me know what you think. Maybe better, and thanks for watching.